Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to pop the hood on the engine that powers modern software development. We're talking about CI/CD, the automation pipeline that has absolutely changed the game for how we build and ship apps.
But to really get why this engine is so important, you got to go back in time, back to a world of manual work, a ton of stress, and one very familiar, very frustrating phrase.
Oh man, if you know, you know. These 4 words were basically the soundtrack to every development team's nightmare. It was the perfect way to say, hey, this code works perfectly for me on my computer, but the second it goes anywhere else, it just spectacularly breaks.
And that phrase was really just a symptom of a bigger problem, which was pure manual mayhem. I mean, think about it. Releases were these massive, stressful events. They happened maybe a few times a year if you were lucky, and every single step, building the code, testing it, deploying it, was all done by hand, which basically just invited error after error.
Okay, but out of all that frustration, a solution was born. A really powerful automation engine designed to just get rid of all that manual chaos and replace it with speed, with reliability, and maybe most importantly, with confidence.
So, what is the CI/CD thing at its core? Well, it's really all about automating the entire lifecycle of software. Think of it like a pipeline that connects a developer's keyboard all the way to the end user, with a whole lot of automated magic happening in between.
All right, let's break it down. The first piece of the puzzle is CI, or continuous integration. So just picture a whole team of developers, and they're all constantly merging their small code changes into one shared place. What CI does is it automatically grabs every single one of those changes, builds the app from scratch, and runs a bunch of tests. It's basically a super early warning system for bugs.
Now, the CD part, this is where it gets interesting, because it can mean 2 different things. With continuous delivery, the pipeline does all the work to get the code 100% ready for production, but a human still has to push the final Go Live button. With continuous deployment, though, there is no button. If the code passes all the automated checks, the pipeline just releases it all by itself. So the real difference is that final manual approval step.
So, what does this automation engine actually look like on the inside? Come on, let's follow a single piece of code as it goes on its journey from just an idea in a developer's head to a live feature for a user. So, it all kicks off the second a developer pushes their code. The pipeline just wakes up and starts running that code through a series of automated stages. First, it's got to build the application. Then, it runs tons of tests. After that, it packages everything up nice and neat, and finally, it deploys it. And each of these stages is like a checkpoint. The code can't move on until it gets a green light.
And this right here, this is the philosophy that makes the whole thing so powerful. Fail fast, fix fast. If any of those automated stages finds a problem, like a test fails or there's a security issue, the entire pipeline just stops, dead in its tracks. And the developer gets that feedback in minutes, not days. And that's speed. That's what gives teams the freedom to experiment and innovate without being afraid, because they know issues will be caught and fixed almost instantly. We actually call these mandatory stops quality gates. And you can think of them like security guards for your pipeline. Their job is to block any bad code, any security flaws, any broken bits from ever getting close to your users. They make sure only high-quality, safe code gets through. Now, CI/CD is amazing all on its own, for sure. But its true power, its superpower, really gets unlocked when it connects with all the other essential tools in the DevOps world. It's like the central hub that makes everything else just work together. So first, it hooks right into version control, like Git. And what that means is the simple act of a developer pushing their code is the trigger that kicks off the entire automated process. No one has to do anything manually. Next up, it uses container technology, like Docker. Now, remember that whole works on my machine problem? Well, this is the ultimate cure. A container is like a standardized little box that has the application and everything it needs to run inside it. The exact same box that passed all the tests is what gets deployed everywhere, which guarantees it's going to work the exact same way for everyone. And then, finally, the pipeline connects to tools like Kubernetes, which you can think of as the air traffic controller for the application. This automates that final deployment step, smoothly rolling out new updates with 0 downtime. And if anything goes wrong, it can instantly roll back to the last stable version. It's an incredible safety net.
Okay, so we have this incredible automated engine. It's all connected. But what does it all mean? For a business, for a team, what's the real-world impact of working this way?
Well, the results aren't just technical. They're dramatic for the business. Teams that are really good at this stuff can deploy new code whenever they want, sometimes hundreds of times a day. Their failure rates absolutely plummet because of all that automated testing. And when something does break, because, it happens, they can recover in minutes, not hours or days.
But honestly, beyond the numbers, here's the real aha moment. CI/CD completely changes a team's culture. It moves everyone away from those big, scary, hold-your-breath releases toward this constant flow of small, safe, frequent updates. It encourages everyone to own the code together, and it creates this super fast feedback loop that just drives everyone to get better all the time.
It's really easy to look at all this and think, okay, so CI/CD is just about using tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. But that would be missing the most important point of all.
At the end of the day, CI/CD is a delivery mindset. It's a cultural commitment to automation, to quality, and to speed. It's really about building systems that give your teams the confidence to deliver value to users constantly and reliably. And that mindset, powered by automation, is what truly defines how modern software gets built.